What is an overlay? An element? A look? A secret ingredient? An overlay is a visual element that's blended into an existing image to create depth, add a missing piece, or create an effect. Overlays add fire when it's too dangerous for the real thing, snow when you can't plan on it. They create depth in the foreground, a lens flare when and where you want it. For some, it's a creative afterthought. For others, it's what the whole image hinges on. But for all, it's yet another detail that adds to the overall quality of the image. Great image makers know the thing that separates a good image from a great image is the detail. Paying attention to the parts that no one else will in a million different ways. To build layer upon layer, pixel upon pixel, into one incredible image.